Hi everyone, welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto. Today is 10th June 2022 and we're going to look at the top trends, price action and top news of cryptocurrency market. We will also look at the top gainers of crypto market, so stick around till the end to learn more about them. So the crypto market has been going through a rough phase over the past few weeks. Prices of several currencies have been going back and forth without any significant growth. So let's start the video by looking at the market cap. So the crypto market cap has slowed down over the last day with a decline of almost 2%. The market cap shrunk to $1.23 trillion and all the major tokens were painted in red. Starting with Bitcoin, it was again traded at below 30,000 mark with a decline of 1.6% in last 24 hours and 0.04% increase over last 7 days. Ethereum has been struggling between $1,700 to $1,900 and now it is back to $1,700 with a price low by over 2% and an incline of 0.4% in the weekly charts. Tether has been stagnant and traded at $1 with a minor decline. Similarly, the number 4 USD coin, which traded at $1, saw an incline of 0.02%. BNB or Binance again saw a decline of 1.05% in daily charts, and in last 7 days it fell by close to 4% and traded at $288. Now that's all about the top 5 cryptocurrencies, and let's head towards some altcoins. Cardano was low by 6%, trading at $0.6, but on weekly charts it inclined by over 9%. XRP token was also down and traded at 0.4, while Binance USD was trading at $1 and declined in both weekly and daily charts. Solana, which traded at around 41 yesterday, it went down by 4% in last 24 hours, trading at $38 with an incline of 2.5% in last 7 days. The popular meme coin Doge was down by 2% both in weekly and in last 24 hours and traded at $0.07. On the other hand, Polkadot traded at $9 with a decline of 1.2%. Wrapped Bitcoin also was below 30,000 and decreased by close to 2% and traded at $29,000. Avalanche declined by 4% on the charts and traded at 23. And finally, Tron, which also saw a minor decline in last 24 hours and traded at $0.08. Now let's look at the top news of the day. So according to a report by Blockware Intelligence, it suggests that by the year 2030, the global Bitcoin adoption could rise by 10% and the prices of BTC will surge up constantly. The report that took around 6 months outlined an adoption curve wherein it stated that there are about 0.36% of global population that is currently using Bitcoin network, and these numbers will surge in coming year, and by 2030 estimated 10% of global population would be using Bitcoin network. Next, so in the recent interview with CNBC Box Asia, Binance CEO stated that current down cycle in crypto can last up to 4 years. He also mentioned that Binance is probably the only crypto exchange that has a responsible trading program. Further, he also clarified that Binance offer leveraged product in places where it is allowed, considering the impact of these products can have on people who don't understand them, and that the consumer who use them and lose money are stopped from trading for a certain period of time. Finally, during an event, the Secretary of United States Treasury stated that including cryptocurrencies in retirement plans and calling them a very risky investment should be regulated by Congress. She said that including crypto in retirement plan, which was undertaken by Fidelity Investments, is very risky, and also mentioned that Congress could regulate the type of assets that can be included in retirement programs. Now let's look at the top gainers for the day. So we had Bitcoin SV at the top of the table with the price surge of 5% in last 24 hours and over 10% in weekly with a trading price of $60. Next we have Helium, which saw an increase of 8% yesterday, saw a surge of 2% in its value and traded at $11 in last 24 hours and over 43% over the last 7 days. Bitcoin Gold or BTG traded at $22 with an increase of 2% in last 24 hours. Similarly, Leo token inclined by 1% and traded at close to $3, while on the weekly charts it was up by over 12%. VChain traded at $0.03 with an incline of 1% and in last 7 days it was up by 2%. Now Polygon Matic, which saw an incline of 0.3% and it traded at $0.6 with an incline of 7% in weekly charts. Binance traded at $9 and finally Pax, which traded at $1 with a minor jump in its value in last 24 hours. That is all for today. If you like our content, do follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget to give thumbs up if you like the video and do hit the subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow with more updates from crypto market.